So today's job is the heating pipes have been leaking underneath the floor. So we essentially need to run pipes from behind this unit all the way through here and cut a line all the way back down through the whole house. So our plumber has laid all the new pipes right down. We're just finishing the last bit of concrete. Then the plywood goes back down. Here you can see the lovely floor. It's beach. That's it. I'm just kind of setting up. There's a doormat as you come in here.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So this is the wooden floor, that's the carpet. There's quite a difference in height there, as you can see. So what the plan is to use this as a door saddle. And that'll be running down, chamfering down at an angle, and then we'll run into here. Now I'm gonna have to do that there. I'll be doing something similar there. Now, the problem is up here. I'm running in and running 45-degree cuts into my door saddle and the same over there. can see, it's finally finished. Just skirting now. Got to finish trim around that floor mat and skirting.